Welcome to SK Learn. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe by pressing the bell button so that you will get the latest job opportunities immediately. Airport Services has announced Walk-in Recruitment Exercise 2 of 2022. Customer Services Executive 144 posts, RAM Driver 15 posts, Handyman 150 posts. Working place International Airport, Chennai. 1 year contract basis. Age limit for all the posts: General 28 years, OBC 31 years, SC/ST 33 years. Qualification for Customer Services Executive: a graduate from a recognized university and 10 plus 2 plus 3 pattern. Preference will be given to candidate having airline, GHA, cargo, airline ticketing experience or airline diploma or certified course. Be proficient in use of PC. They should have good command over spoken and written English, apart from that of Hindi and mother tongue. Utility agent cum RAM driver 10th standard and must carry original valid HMV driving license at the time of appearing for trade test. Preference will be given to the candidates conversant with the local language. Handyman 10th standard pass must be able to read and understand English language. Knowledge of local and Hindi languages, that is, ability to understand and speak, is desirable. Salary: Customer Services Executive 21,300 rupees and ramp driver 19,350 rupees, handyman 17,520 rupees per month. Custom Service Executive interview date 12/11/2022 and 13/11/2022 at 9 a.m. to 12 hours. For utility agent cum driver on 14/11/2022, 9 to 12 hours. For handyman, interview will be on 15 and 16/11/2022 from 9 a.m. to 12 hours. Interested and eligible candidates are requested to see the notification, download the application form and fill it as you deserve. Then go to the interview place as per your post and date of interview. Please keep the required documents and certificates along with you when you go for interview. Interview will be held at the office of the HRD Department, Air India Unity Complex, Pallavaram Contonement, Chennai 43. Go through the notification about the nature of job function of your work. Accordingly, get ready. Selection procedure for the customer service executive interview. The company at its discretion may introduce group discussion depending upon the response. The selection procedure would be conducted on the same day or the subsequent day, and outstation candidates are advised to make their own arrangement of lodging and boarding at their own cost if required. A RAM service agent or a utility agent cum RAM driver. A trade test comprises trade knowledge and driving test, including driving test of HMV. Those passing the trade test alone will be sent for screening. Screening or interview, the selection procedure would be conducted on the same day or on the subsequent day. Outstation candidates are advised to make their own arrangement of lodging and boarding at their own cost if they require. For handyman, physical education tests like weightlifting and running will be conducted. Your interview may be the same day or the subsequent day, and the outstation candidates are requested to make their own arrangements of lodging and boarding at their own cost if they require. Candidates Now walk in person to the venue on the date and time specified above, along with the application form duly filled in and copies of the testimonial certificates as per attached application format, with this advertisement and non-refundable application fee of rupees 500 by means of a demand draft in favor of AI Airport Services Limited, payable at Mumbai. No fees are to be paid by ex-servicemen candidates belonging to SC/ST communities. Don't forget to fill your name and mobile number on the backside of the demand draft. Place the passport size color photo in the space given and taken within 3 months. Original certificate should not be submitted along with the application but should be brought for verification. A valid passport along with one set of photocopy if available. OBC certificate produced by the candidate should be as per the central list of OBCs published by the Government of India and not by the state government. Applicants working in government, semi-government, public sector undertakings or autonomous bodies must appear with the completed application form routed through proper channel or along with no objection certificate from the current employer. Website www.aiasl.in. My dear viewers, please make use of this job opportunity and never forget to subscribe and share to others. Thanks for watching.